Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. So today we are back with another interesting video that with the help of this video you will be able to understand how to know the exact location of any Android phone using just a link. So for this I will use the Kali Linux. You can also use Parrot. The process will be same for both the operating systems. I will open the browser in my Kali Linux. I am using Mozilla Firefox in my case. There is a tool in GitHub which you need to download and install. The name of the tool is Seeker, Seeker. So I am searching here Seeker GitHub, and here is the link. So I will open the link. If you scroll down a bit, you will get the installation instructions. So I already have the tool installed with me, so I will directly open the terminal and I will open the tool. So here I am moving on to the tool folder, and now I will run the tool. So this is the command which we need to type to run the tool. So here the tool has started, as you can see. Now it has 4 templates currently for doing the thing. So I will take the Google Drive template. So let's click on 1. It is asking for a Google Drive file URL. Let's type here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now it has by default started a port number and a PHP server, and now it is waiting for the user interaction. So now what I need to do is I need to turn on the ngrok from another terminal, and I need to just send the ngrok link to any of the Android phones that may not be in the same network, because as we are using ngrok there is no same network case. So I will start the ngrok on the particular port 8080, because here the tool is working on port number 8080. So I will type here ngrok./ngrok http 8080 and I will press enter. So this is the ngrok link which I need to download from my which I need to open from my browser. So I will open it from my mobile's browser, and here you will be seeing that the tool is working. So let me just copy the link 189.814 a0.ngrok.io. So I have copied the link. Now I am opening the link. Now the Google Drive page will appear where there is a option for request access. So I will click on that request access, and it will ask to share the location as Google asked for all the permissions. So as I will click on the share location, here the interaction has came, and this is the detail of the mobile which I have used. Okay, and if I come to the location information, this is the actual location. And if I want to see this location into Google Maps, here is a Google Map link also given. So I will just copy this link and I will open it through my browser, and you will be seeing that this is the exact location where I am situated currently with my mobile. So this is the exact location that it will show. So this is how using a single link you can get location of any Android device with all the details through this tool Seeker. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you.